Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to ask about your family. What is your name?
My name is Ritik.
Okay. Do you have brother?
Yes, I have.
Okay. How many brother do you have?
I have one brother.
What is his name?
My brother's name is Vadim.
How old is she?
He is 7 years old.
Do you have any sister?
No, I have.
Okay. What is your name? What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nurjana.
How old is she?
She is 45 years old.
What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is teacher.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Lodi.
How old is he?
He is 5 years old.
Okay. What is your father's job?
My father's job is mechanic.
Okay. What is your brother's name?